How's your week going so far? It's almost over. Yay. Weekend. Yay. Friggin' cold here in Canada. Not so yay. Okay, so in our group, Resin Artist Without Borders, I'm doing a New Year challenge with them. And it is that because we're all over the world dealing with this coronavirus, and here in Ontario we're in a lockdown till January 28th. There's lockdowns in the UK, there's lockdowns everywhere again. So traveling is totally out of the question. So I thought, let's bring travel to us. So the challenge is to do an ocean pour, but to think out of the box. It doesn't have to be blues and whites or greens and whites, and it doesn't have to be an ocean pour. It could be an ocean view. It could be a lake view. You know, think outside of the box. Have fun with it. Hopefully it will make you feel relaxed while you're doing it. Yeah. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to do surfboards, and I spray painted one black and one a rose gold. And on the black, I am using Color Passions top cell white, and I am using the silver that I'm hopefully, well, bringing in with the chrome colors, and that are on their way, by the way, should be anyway. And on the rose, we are using Color Passions Old Gold because it's my new I Love Gold. And another one of the colors that I am bringing in the chromes, look at that. That is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So these are the colors we are using. So we're gonna get started. I'm clear coating the whole thing first, and then seeing if I can blow in some nice lacing and stuff with this. The resin I'm using tonight is that maple. Well, last time I called it magic. There is a magic resin on Amazon, but this isn't it. This is maple resin, and it is so clear, it isn't funny. But yes, it's full of bubbles. But once I heated it the last time on that bigger piece, the bubbles were gone and didn't come back. So let's hope it's the same. It turned out super hard by the next day, touch-wise. I think I like it. I just got to wait and see, like, heat resistance, because it doesn't say on the information. And I did send an email, not getting a response, but I did, to find out what the heat resistance is on it. And it's yellow time. We'll have to, that's a wait and see. Wait and see. It's not sitting in the sun, so hopefully it will last quite a while without yellowing. Okay, let's get started, guys. Let's bring you on down. We'll start over here and clear coat the black surfboard. Just spread this out. Then I'll heat it and hopefully let it go down the edges. But for now, I'm just going to spread it out. This is a much thicker resin, like I said in the last video, than what I am used to. But I liked that. You know, I guess once you've used both, it's not a problem going back and forth. I do think this is the thickest resin that I've ever worked with, but it's good. We will see. I'm enjoying being able to try different resins and see what's out there. There's so much out there now. Okay, so now I'm going to just clear coat the top of the pink rose gold. Spread it out. And I'll heat it up a bit and it'll soften up, thin out a bit to go down the sides, hopefully on its own. Let's give that a try right now. Yep, there we go. Bursting some bubbles. It's thinning it out and it's going down the sides nicely. Give it a little bit of help in some spots. Okay, let's do the black. If I put you right there, you can basically see both. Just breaking up the air bubbles without having to use a torch. And thinning it out nicely, so I can spread it. So it works well that way. You know, and if you want to keep its thickness, you don't have to heat it. And it won't thin out. I do see some of the bubbles have come back, but that's okay because I will zap it with the heat gun if need be after I do this part. So I'm just going to do waves. Up the top, and I'll decide if I want to do waves down the bottom in a moment. Wow, this silver is just amazing. It is so sparkly. Okay, now back to the heat gun. Come down on it just to heat it up, and then move it. So I think I'm going to take this one down. And this one up. Now I'm going to zap it with the torch right away. And it's breaking up and giving me little tiny lacings. Very nice. So, yep, I think I'm just going to leave it there for that. Because I think I will do a second coat on this tomorrow. We will see. But wow, even the silver is lacing a bit. Very nice. Wow. Look at, I wish you could see that sparkle. But I'll bring you down after and show you. Okay, let's move over here and we will work on the rose gold. And with it, I'm doing the blue and the gold. And I'm going to do the same thing. I don't know if I will get lacing in this blue like I did with the top coat, but we will see. I'm going to bring in the gold. This gold is beautiful. Warm it up. Now move it. Okay, well the gold has taken over, so I'm going to add some more blue on top of that. Wow, that gold is gorgeous. But then I will do a second coat with this tomorrow as well. So let's zap it. Torch. Okay. Oh, there we go. Lacing in the gold. Fine, fine, small lacing, but beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to move on and do some molds with the leftover. Tomorrow I will debate whether I'm going to do a second coat, just do a layered effect, or leave it like this and just do a clear coat. I think what I'll do with, I'll make some molds up tonight of shells in the colors that I used and place them maybe down here at the bottom. It's a good idea. Make up the molds of the shells. Okay, so I'm going to bring you down and show you what's going on. I'm also working on an extremely large piece on my own. It's, I'd say, 3 feet by 5 feet. It's going to be in 3 layers. It's something I've been thinking about for a while, and I've had this canvas lying around for a while. Yes, it's on a canvas, but I resined the back. That's how I firm up my canvases, is I resin the back so there's no swaying. Let it cure, and then I do what I need to do on top. This is challenging myself. This is also something I've really, really wanted to see done. So, wish me luck. And you guys have a wonderful evening. And if I don't do a tutorial on the weekend, then you have a wonderful weekend too. But if I do, then forget I said that, and I'll say it again then, okay? Okay, love ya. Come on down. Okay, so here we go. This is the black and silver. Look at, there's even lacing in the silver. There's tons of small lacing in the top cell white. But that silver is so sparkly and shiny, and I hope you can see that. But, well, there you go. There you go. Okay, so come on over here to the rose gold with that really pretty blue. You can see there is lacing in the gold and a little bit of lacing, oh yeah, in the blue. And this gorgeous, gorgeous molten gold line right there that just blew out like threads of gold. Just beautiful. So there you go. It does need to be torched. down here because of bubbles. But other than that, I think they are both good to go. There's not even any bubbles up here because I've already blown them and torched them out. So I think I am liking this resin. Okay guys, hopefully you could see all that. Not even sure where the camera. There's the camera. You probably didn't see any of that, did you? Yes, you did. Okay, whatever. I'm learning. You think I would know by now. Bye, guys.